Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smita. Welcome to my channel. It's Sunday, which means it's time for another eye makeup look. Today's look is going to be this beautiful emerald and gold clean cut crease using the new Milani Gilded Gold palette. So if you're ready, let's get started. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. Everyone's releasing their holiday collections and Milani sent me theirs. This is a beautiful 10 brush set and the handle looks absolutely stunning, so apt for the holiday season. They also sent me their 24 karat gift set, which includes a beautiful gold lip gloss, a stunning gold lipstick, and the eyeshadow duo, which has a gold eyeshadow as well as glitter. And they also sent me the Gilded Gold eyeshadow palette, which I will be using for the look today. First, I'm going to carve out the outer corner using Eden. And I'm going to use the angled brush to carve it out because we want that very clean outer corner. And then with the same eyeshadow, I'm going to fill that outer corner using a flat shader brush. And then I'm also going to use it in the outer third of my lower lash line. Next, I'm dipping into Crown Jewel, which I'll be using in the inner third of my lid as well as inner third of my lower lash line. For the lid, I'm using a flat shader brush, and for my lower lash line, I'll be using the angled brush. This being the Gilded Gold palette, I had to dip into Ultra Gilded, which is a beautiful gold eyeshadow, and that'll go in the center of my lid as well as the center of my lower lash line. For the lid, I first tried to apply it with this flat shader brush, but then I saw that I got more pigment with my finger, so I just used my finger. And then using the blending brush, I blended out the edges. And to apply it in my lower lash line, I once again used the angled brush. There's a little bit of fallout, so I'm going to dust that off. To tightline, I'm using the Milani eyeliner pencil in black. And to highlight my brow bones, I'm going to be using this shade from the Milani Shimmering Face palette. I'm going to next curl my lashes, apply a coat of mascara. I'm using the highly rated mascara from Milani. And for lashes, I'm using Black Label Lashes in Brazen. And I'm going to finish up with a coat of mascara in my lower lashes. And here's the completed look. You can try this look with any color combination to go with your outfit. I hope you're enjoying my Sunday eye makeup looks. Let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you're new here, I post new videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. For your convenience, I'm listing all the products that I used in the description box right below this video, and you'll also find my social media links there. So if you're not already following me there, make sure you do, because I do a lot of giveaways and a lot more chatting and stuff that I usually don't share on YouTube. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new video. Bye guys.